All right, the drink that we are about to make is called the Big Unit. Now, for those of you gentlemen who don't happen to have a big unit, you can always go to the bar and order this shot, and suddenly you're right there in with the big boys. So we're going to set up 2 shot glasses and fill the shot glasses up with some good old tequila. There we go. Nice. You can tell that's good tequila just by the color of it. Now, what we're going to try to do is get our blue curacao to kind of rest down at the bottom. So if we pour it on the side, whoop, didn't quite work. That's all right. It's still going to taste just like a big unit. And you might have to ask someone what that tastes like if you don't know. But here you go. I got a big unit in each hand. Bottoms up.